Hi, I'm Lee Stevens from easycurtains.co.uk and I want to talk tape measures to you for a moment so that you know what we need when you're taking your sizes. Okay, so on the tape measure, we've got the big numbers on the top, which are imperial, inches, and on the bottom we've got metric and we've got centimetres, and also the very small sections underneath are millimetres. We don't use millimetres on this website. So you're not going to enter 2,105 millimetres, you're going to enter 210.5 centimetres if you do it in centimetres. So don't use the top, the big numbers, use the smaller ones, but centimetres, not millimetres. Okay, so when you use it, or when you're using a tape measure, it's better with two people, especially if you're measuring a bay window or a very wide window. One person can pull the tape measure out to where you want it to be and put it in position. The other person can pull it across to where it needs to be and then take the measurement. Then I suggest you swap over, do the same measurement again with the other person. They can double check your sizes. It's so easy to get sizes wrong. So a big common one is it should be 101 centimetres and you write down 110. Or it should be 110 and you write down 101 centimetres. So hopefully this video doesn't come across as being condescending. It's for people that are not really confident and don't use a tape measure on a daily basis. These are the basics, and I hope that was useful.